Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to remove the photos in the features section of your Facebook profile. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, to remove the featured photos on your Facebook profile, let's open up our Facebook app first. After opening your Facebook account, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, just below the home icon. Tap over there, and when you scroll down, you will see, or you will find, your featured photos on your phone like this. You can see my featured photos over here. These two are my featured photos or featured section of my profile. Now if you wanted to delete one of them, simply open it, and you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see all these options available are up here. If you want to delete a featured section of your profile or your delete featured collection, tap on the delete, and you can see this will only be deleted from featured, and tap on OK. And there guys, this is how you remove photos in the featured section of your profile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.